Welcome one and all. This is Jnaneshwar. I am from JN2 College of Engineering, Vizianagaram. Today in this video, we will be discussing about the Prism's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, single source shortest path algorithm. So, firstly, let us discuss about Prism's algorithm. A Prism's algorithm comes under a greedy algorithm and it is used to discover the minimum spanning tree from a graph. So, let us know how to execute the Prism's algorithm. Set up the minimum spanning tree using a randomly chosen vertex. So we can choose a vertex which is taken randomly. So from that vertex, find the minimum of all the edges connecting the tree to further vertices, then add it to the tree. Repeat step 2 as necessary to obtain a minimum spanning tree. So let us look into the spanning tree. So let us take the vertex R. From that vertex R, we are going to build up a minimum spanning tree. Yeah, we have taken the vertex R. From that vertex R, we have chosen the vertex Q. Why? Because we have the shortest edge length. You can see here from R to Q, the minimum shortest length is 2. If you take it from R to P, the length is 4. If you take it from R to S, the length is 3. So if we have taken from R to T, the length is 2. So when the two lengths are same, you can choose it randomly. So here I have chosen from R to Q. From this vertex, pick the shortest edge and add it. So after picking Q, I have picked T, which is the minimum edge length. Now choose the closest vertex that is not included in the solution. So I have chosen U from the T. Select the nearest edge. If more than one option is available, pick one at random. So you can see the minimum spanning tree. Continue this process until a spanning tree is formed. So let us look at the algorithm. Step 1, choosing a starting vertex. Step 2, repetition of steps 3 and 4 until the fringe vertex is present. Step 3, choose an edge with a minimum weight that connects the tree vertex and fringe vertex. Step 4, include the chosen vertex and edge in the least spanning tree T. Exit. So this is the algorithm for the prisms algorithm. So the applications of prisms algorithm are installing electrical wiring lines in designing the network. So this is the code regarding the prisms algorithm. I will provide it in the description. You can check out. So let us discuss about Kruskal's algorithm. For a connected weighted graph, Kruskal algorithm is a preferred to the preferred to find the shortest spanning tree. The major goal of this particular algorithm is to encounter a subset of edges that may be utilized to visit every vertex of the graph. It pursues the greedy technique. Firstly, we will focus on sorting all the edges and will sort them according to their weight. Now, we will pick the edge having the least amount of weight and associate it with the spanning tree. If the edge being added forms a circle, it should be rejected. Keep on adding the edges till all the vertices have been added and a minimum spanning tree has been formed. So let us look at the example of Kruskal algorithm. Step 1. Join the edge PQ having the weight 1 to the minimum spanning tree. So we have joined the edge of the weight 1 from P to Q. Next, step 2. Join the edge ST having the weight 2 to the minimum spanning tree. Also, point to be noted that this is not making any cycle. So the cycle should not be formed. Step 3. Add the edge QR having the weight 3 to the minimum spanning tree. You can check out here. Step 4. Select the edge RS having the weight 4 to the minimum spanning tree. Also, you will notice that this is not composing the cycle. Step 5. Now we will select the edge PT having the weight 5. Adding this edge will form the cycle, so we will dump it. Step 6. Pick the edge PR having the weight 7. Adding this edge will form the cycle, so we will dump it. Step 7. Pick the edge PS, the weight 10. Adding this edge will form the cycle, so we will dump it. So the total value of the minimum spanning tree is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. The above tree, the number of edges now equals the number of vertices minus 1. So let us look at the algorithm as mentioned above. So this is the code regarding the Kruskal algorithm. I will provide it in the description. So the applications of Kruskal algorithm is the technique by Kruskal can be used to build out electrical wiring across cities. It's possible to operate it to set up LAN connections. So we can look at the time complexity of the Kruskal algorithm. So single source shortest path algorithm in greedy. In the context of greedy method, Dijkstra algorithm is the most commonly used approach to solve the single source shortest path problem for graphs with non-negative weights. It finds the shortest path from a given source vertex to all the vertices in a weighted, directed, or undirected graph. So steps of this algorithm: a graph represented as G, where V is set of vertices and E is the set of edges, the source vertexes. So this is the algorithm regarding this approach, greedy approach. So you can check out the example here. So this is the code regarding the greedy algorithm. So I will provide it in the description. So I hope you understand these three algorithms. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.